this new session, we are going to talk about the buoyancy force. So what is buoyancy force? Buoyancy force is simply the force exerted upward by a fluid that opposes to the weight of a partially immersed object. So from its definition, buoyancy and weight has its relation. In a floating body, the buoyancy force would always be equal to the weight. So in our example, a block of a 0.55 meter thick wood is floating on seawater. The specific gravity of wood is 0.65, while that of seawater is 1.03. Find the minimum area of a block which will support a man weighing 95 kilograms. In this problem, we have our illustration. In the illustration, it is shown that the buoyancy force is a force applied to the opposite of the weight. The weight of the man and the weight of the wood will add to each other because both are going downward due to gravity. So for our solution, we will do the summation of forces. From what I have said, that the buoyancy force will always be equal to the weight, and that the weight of man and the weight of wood will add up since both are going downward. So we have our equation of buoyancy force is equals to the weight of man plus the weight of wood. Now to get the buoyancy force, we will substitute the buoyancy force with unit weight times the volume of the wood. And since weight for man is given, we will simply plug it in. But the weight of the wood is unknown, so we will also have to substitute it with the unit weight of wood times the volume of wood. Now in this first part of our equation, what we need to find first is the volume of wood to find its area. Now we substitute our given problems, and as we can see, 1000 is just the density of the water multiplied respectively to the specific gravity of seawater and wood. And now it's time to solve. And we should be able to get the volume of wood as 0.25 cubic meters. Since we have now the volume of wood, we will divide it to its thickness. And we should not forget to cancel similar units, especially when dividing. And that should give us an answer of 0.45 square meters. So therefore, we could conclude that the minimum area of the block which will support the weight of a 95 kilogram person is 0.45 square meters. Now that is all for our session. See you on our next videos.